Welcome back for another game, a strategy game that we play often in fourth grade in mathematics, but I also wanted you to be able to play it at home. And it requires a strategy as well. It's called Digits Place. You should have a game board in your kit that looks just like this. It has 3 columns. The first column says guess, the middle column is digits, the last column is place. And so again, it's another place value game where you have to do a little strategic thinking, and you're going to be using clues to help you guess a number. So I have Caroline back with me again. This time, whoever you're playing the game with or whoever's going to be the recorder or the leader of the game, and I hope that you can find a parent or a friend or a grandparent, anybody who can help you out. They will determine what the number is that you're going to guess. So I'm going to give Caroline the clue that I'm thinking of a 3-digit number. Now, so that she won't think that I'm cheating, I'm going to write that number down. And she's not going to know what the number is, but she wants to guess what that number is. So when she makes a guess, she's going to record the guess on her sheet, and I'm also going to record it on my poster so that we can talk about how to use the clues throughout the game to help you guess the right number or guess what the number is. Okay, so Caroline, I'm thinking of a 3-digit number. She can use any of these digits, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, or 9, to build a 3-digit number. So I always write those down. That's one of the strategies that I like to use, especially when you're trying to narrow down and get to that, to use the clues to help you find that answer. So Caroline, what would you guess?
I'm gonna guess 368.
368. So she's going to write that number on her board in the guess column. I'm going to record it up here. 368 was her guess. In this number, she has 1 digit correct, which means that one of these digits, 3, a 6, or 8, is correct, and she has one of these digits in the right place. So now she has to think about, well, which digit is it? Because we have 3 different digits, but whichever one is correct is in the right place. So now she's going to try to guess another number.
698.
698. Now, if I had to guess, I figure she chose that 8 in the ones place to try and see if that's the digit that's in the right place. So here, her clue is she has 0 digits correct, 0 places. So now, Caroline, what do we know for sure now?
That the 8 is not the right number.
The 8 is not the right number, so we can mark that off because we don't want to use the 8 anymore. That's not going to be in my number. That's not a digit in my number. Okay? What else do you know?
The 6 is not the number either.
The 6 cannot be a number either. What clue tells you that?
Even though I used it in the last one, it's still not a digit in the second number.
Exactly. So 6 is not going to be a number, so we can mark it out too.
Okay.
What other clue do you know?
I did not use the 3. So that has to be the digit that was correct in the first number.
So your next guess would have to be in the 300s. Because when you go back and look at the clues from digit and place in the first number, 300s, that was the correct digit and it was in the correct place. So her next guess has to be in the 300s. Go.
351.
300s 5 tens, 1. 351. She has 3 digits correct, but only one of them is in the right place.
I think your number is 315.
Okay, she thinks that my number is 315, so her guess is 315. Why do you think that, Caroline?
I already know that the 3 is in the right spot. So then I only have 2 numbers left, and if neither of them are in the right spot, you just flip their place value, and that's your number.
That is correct. So now I can tell her she has 3 digits correct and 3 places correct. 315 was the number that she needed to guess. Nice job. The neat thing about this game is that you can play it with 2-digit numbers, 3-digit numbers, 4-digit numbers. You can play it over and over and over again. It's more fun with more digits because, of course, there's a lot of guessing that goes on, but there's a lot of strategy. You have to go back and think about digits that you've used and use clues from all of the guesses to help you get to the right answer. So, have a great time playing Digits Place. See you soon.